Hello everybody. So in today's topic, let us see what is quarter wave plate, and let us go for analysis of light. Okay, let us go for analysis of polarized light of different kinds. So quartered wave plate means that particular plate which introduces a phase difference of pi by 2 or a path difference of lambda by 4 between the ordinary and extraordinary rays, then we call it as quarter wave plate. So if thickness of crystal is such that it introduces a phase difference pi by 2 or path difference lambda by 4, 1 by 4, lambda by 4, then it is called as quarter wave plate. Okay, and the value of quarter wave plate is T is equal to lambda by 4 mu naught minus mu E, where mu naught is the refractive index of ordinary ray, mu E is the refractive index of extraordinary ray. Similarly, we will also have half wave plate. Half wave plate means if the thickness of a crystal is such that it introduces a path difference of lambda by 2. So, path difference of lambda by 2. Then we call it as half wave plate. So, T equal to lambda by 2 mu naught minus mu E. Right? Now, let us move for our topic, the analysis of polarized light of different kinds. Right? So now let us see the analysis. So first, using rotating nickel. First we placed nickel prism in the path of plane polarized light. Okay. Now, if the intensity of light becomes maximum and zero alternately, then that light we call it as plane polarized light. If the emergent beam intensity varies between maximum 0 alternately, that we call it as plane polarized light. If the intensity, if the intensity of emergent beam varies between maximum and minimum alternately, then it may be elliptically polarized light or it may be partially polarized light. It may be partially polarized light if the intensity of emergent beam shows no variation, then such light may be circularly polarized light, or unpolarized light. Now here the problem with nickel is that it is not giving a clear idea between elliptically partially polarized lights, circularly unpolarized light. Now we want to know that whether the coming is elliptically or partially polarized light, or whether it is a circularly polarized light or unpolarized light. So to know that only, we will use quarter wave plate. So quarter wave plate differentiates between elliptically polarized light and partially polarized light, circularly polarized light and unpolarized light. Now after passing through the nickel, we will place quarter wave plate. Now these lights fall on the quarter wave plate. Okay. If the light fallen on quarter wave plate, the light fallen on quarter wave plate is partially polarized light. If it is partially polarized light, then the variation in intensity will be maximum and minimum, not equal to 0. The variation in intensity of light will be maximum and minimum. What we did? We don't know whether coming is elliptically or partially. So we will make the light to fall on quarter wave plate. Now if the light fallen on quarter wave plate is a partially polarized light, then the outcoming rays intensity will vary between maximum and minimum. Right? Now if the light incident on quarter wave plate is elliptically polarized light, then the emerging light intensity will vary between maximum and 0. Maximum and 0 means what? Plane polarized light. Okay. If the emergent beam is intensity varies between maximum and 0, it will be elliptically polarized light. If not, if the intensity changes between maximum and minimum, it will be partially polarized light. Now the next one is how to know whether the coming one is circularly polarized or unpolarized. As usual, after coming out from the nickel prism, we will make the light to fall on quarter wave plate. Okay. Now if the light fallen on quarter wave plate is circularly polarized light, if it is circularly polarized light, then the emergent beam shows the intensity between maximum and minimum. It shows the intensity between maximum and minimum. Then we can understand that it is circularly polarized. Now if the light from nickel is unpolarized light, for example, it is a unpolarized light has fallen on it, then we will not have any emergent light. That is, we will not find any variations in the light. That is, no maximum, no minimum. We will not find any variations in the light intensity. This we call it as unpolarized light. In such a way, by using quarter wave plate, we can differentiate between circularly unpolarized light, partially elliptically polarized light. Thank you. If you like my video, like it, subscribe it, okay, and stay with my channel Reshma Physics to receive new updates, new videos on B.Sc Physics syllabus, which are very useful for M.Sc Physics entrance exam. Thank you.